In KS Control Cloud, if an item is added to a sales order that turns out to be out of stock and the customer doesn't want to place the item on back order, there are two real options available. One of the options is to mark the item as lost demand, and to see how this works, we'll create a sales order. We'll now add our first item to the sales order. We can see that this item's in stock, so there's no problem there. We'll now add our second item. As you can see, this item's out of stock. If the customer decides not to go ahead with the purchase of this item, we could simply delete it from the sales order using the delete button. Instead, we're going to mark the item as lost demand. So we green select the item and then use the actions button and select lost demand. In this instance, we're lost demanding a single item rather than the whole order. The item's now been removed from the order, so we'll save our order. Once orders containing lost demand items have been processed, we can go to the reports part of the system and see how these can be reported on in our product item sales report. By going to the filters button, we can select a filter called Show Lost Demand Only. This will report on all the items we've had to lost demand. They're identified with the blue highlight, and you can also see the potential profit that we've lost by not having this product in stock. This can be useful in informing your reordering decisions. Thanks for watching.